Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is August 27th. I'm looking for a long trade. I had a donation here. I get a pullback here. Target should be roughly around this neighborhood, so I'll be happy with the 2.2. Flip to happen what's on the 32 here. Bars have already been caught. Here's my donation. I thought this was going up. Cut through with an ABC, pop up. Beautiful for this eagle being below. And there it is, everyone. There's my 2.2. Thank you very much. I appreciate it every day. Love the market more and more every day. I see more and more detail the more I'm around it. Yeah, everyone have a wonderful day and take care.